So yo guys, guess what we have today? Speaker butt. So let's go. Open. So here we go guys. Dun, dun, dun. And here is the face. This one is the big. Wow. So yo guys. Oh wow. Amazing. So ready? Are you ready guys? Here we go. Dun, dun, dun. Love this guys, amazing. You can see JBL. So here we go. Now we open the base guys. Wow. Amazing. Hold on. So yo guys, so here we go. You can check the face. Boom. And wow guys, wow, amazing. You can see that the front, that the back, the base. And now we open the other stuff. Here we go. You can see what we get here. The wires, the cell, and the remote. You can see guys. Wow. Can open this one. Here we go guys. JBL. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you later.